Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature, with another Real Estate Educational Friday. Today's topic is, what is the difference between a freehold home and a condo? In today's market, the two most common forms of home ownership are either a freehold or a condo corporation. But what exactly is the difference between the two? First, what is a freehold property? A freehold property, the owner owns the home as well as the grounds in which the home sits on. A freehold property has the most privacy as well as the most freedom of choice over any other type of home ownership. Homeowners are free to renovate and decorate as they please. With freeholds, there's many different types of properties. They could be detached, semi-detached, or townhomes. In a freehold, since the owner owns the whole property, they are responsible for any renovations or maintenance inside or outside the home, as well as paying for all the utilities and property taxes. Next, let's look at the condo corporation. A condo corporation, there are different types of homes, including townhomes and condo apartments. A condo corporation is a legal entity that represents the common interests of all the unit holders. In the condo corporation, you own the property or the unit, but you share with the maintenance of the common elements with the other unit holders in the form of either maintenance fees or condo fees. Typically, these maintenance fees are charged on a monthly basis, and they are usually due at the beginning of each month. And the amount that you will be charged depends on what the maintenance fees cover. Some condo townhomes, for example, the maintenance fees will only cover garbage and snow removal, where other condo townhomes, the maintenance fees will include those, plus they will also include maintenance of your windows, your doors, your roof, your lawn maintenance, etc. In a condo apartment, a base fee is charged based on your square footage of your unit, but you will also be charged an additional maintenance fee if you own parking and or a locker. These maintenance fees will cover the cost for the whole building, including your roof, your doors, your windows, and most of the time, your HVAC system. But each building is different, so there may be some items that are included in one building and some items that are not included in another. For example, some buildings include all of your utilities in your maintenance fees, which includes your water, your cable, your heat, your hydro, etc. And then there's other condo corporations which don't cover any of those, or maybe one or two of those utility items. Some buildings have security guards, pools, party rooms, etc. These items need to be either cared for, or in the case of a security guard, their salary needs to be paid. These items will be paid through the maintenance fees. The more items the maintenance fees cover, the more your maintenance fees will be each month. It also should be noted that there are some freehold properties in which you will have to pay monthly maintenance fees for garbage and snow removal. This occurs when the property is not on a city roadway and the city will not pay for those garbage or snow removal. So the condo corporation or the freehold corporation will have to pay for a third party to do that removal of those items, which is not covered by your taxes. When purchasing a property, regardless of home type, you need to know if there are maintenance fees and what is included in those maintenance fees, not only for cash flow purposes, but it may affect the amount of the mortgage that you can qualify for. If you have any questions on property types, you can either call or text me at 416-876-9998 or email me at dcinelli@royallepage.ca. Have a great day.